Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Dazonn Technologies, the go-to hub for all things digital marketing. I'm Dazonn, and today we've got a game changer for you, the content pillar strategy. If you've been struggling to boost your website traffic, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our expert insights. Now, let's get started. How to increase traffic on website using content pillar strategy. Segment 1. Understanding the content pillar strategy. So, what exactly is the content pillar strategy? Imagine your website as a well-structured building. Each pillar represents a core topic, and the interconnected beams symbolize related subtopics. This strategic approach not only organizes your content but also makes it more search engine friendly. As a result, your website becomes a go-to resource in your industry, attracting organic traffic effortlessly. Segment 2. Building your pillars. Now that you understand the concept, let's dive into building your content pillars. Start by identifying key topics relevant to your niche. These are the foundation of your pillars. Once you have them, create comprehensive, high-quality pillar pages for each topic. These pages act as the main hub for all related content. But it doesn't stop there. Each pillar page should link to cluster content, delving deeper into specific aspects. This internal linking not only boosts SEO but also guides your audience through a seamless, informative journey. Segment 3. SEO magic, optimizing your pillars. Now, let's sprinkle some SEO magic onto your pillars. Optimize your pillar pages with relevant keywords, meta tags, and a captivating meta description. Remember, search engines love fresh content, so regularly update and expand your pillar pages to keep them at the top of search results. Pro tip: leverage long-tail keywords to capture specific search queries, driving targeted traffic straight to your pillars. Segment 4. Engaging content cluster creation. Creating engaging content clusters is the heart of the content pillar strategy. Dive deep into each subtopic, providing valuable insights, multimedia content, and diverse perspectives. This not only keeps your audience engaged but also positions your website as an authoritative source in your industry. Remember, variety is key. Mix up your content formats, from blog posts and videos to infographics and podcasts, to cater to different audience preferences. Segment 5. Promoting your pillars effectively. Now that your pillars and clusters are in place, it's time to shout it from the digital rooftops. Leverage social media, email marketing, and influencer collaborations to promote your content. Encourage your audience to share, comment, and engage with your pillars. This not only boosts visibility but also establishes a community around your brand. Remember, consistency is key. Develop a content calendar to ensure a steady flow of valuable information, keeping your audience hooked and hungry for more. And there you have it, the content pillar strategy decoded for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow marketers, and comment below with your thoughts. Subscribe for more in-depth insights, and until next time, keep dominating the digital landscape. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thank you for watching.